Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a new series on my channel called Create a Sim based on a theme, and I thought it would be fun to kick off this series by doing one based on Mermaid and a bit of inspired with a fashion show twist to it. So that is what I decided to do in today's video, and you're going to see me go through the process of doing that. Now the mod that I did use, I will link it down below. So anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, I will make sure to link down below the mods that I used to create this mermaid theme sim. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss when I upload a brand new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.